walk sideways instead of forward. They have 10 legs and their front 2 are claws. Shark! Sharks have super sharp teeth, and when one falls out, a new one grows right away. Octopus. An octopus has 8 arms. That's why it's called Octo. It has 3 hearts and blue blood. Duck. Ducks have waterproof feathers. They don't get wet. A duck's feet are webbed perfect for swimming. Beluga whale. Beluga whales are called sea canaries because they make lots of funny sounds. Whistles, clicks, and chirps. Clownfish. Clownfish are bright orange with white stripes, just like the famous Nemo. Sea turtle. Sea turtles can live to be over 100 years old. Dolphin? Dolphins talk to each other by making funny squeaks and clicks. ABC Kids.